it's Sai Satvik from Sciencepedia and welcome to our very first video. In this video we are going to discuss about Heron's formula and this is going to be the first session of it. Heron's formula for class 9 CBSE students. So let's first begin with the chapter. So now the main motive of this chapter is to find the area of any triangle with the three sides given, which is A, B and C for example. Now let's take a triangle for example. And if we are asked to find its area. Now what is the general formula which we have learnt in earlier classes? For area it is half times base times height. Now if they give sides like suppose 16 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Now we need to find the area of this particular triangle ABC with sides of 16, 15 and 14. And what formula we have learned earlier, which is the half times base times height. Now we know the base that it's gonna be 14 or 16 or 15 with respect to its height. Suppose if this is its height, then this would be, but the height is not given. So to apply this formula, even we require height, we require base. Base can be easily find it out, but height, if it's not given in this particular figure, then it's not possible to find the area with this with this formula, which is half times base times height. So we can't use this formula for each and every triangle. So if the height is given, that's fine. Then we can use the formula half times base times height. If the height is not given and if there are only the sides, which is A and B and C, then we need to use a specific formula, right? An important formula which we are going to learn in this chapter is the Heron's formula. This one, Heron's formula. So for a particular triangle, let's go into that now. For a particular triangle ABC with sides A, small b and small c, its area is gonna be under root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Now where a comma b comma c are sides of the triangle, so which is a, b and c. In that two sides can be equal, so let it be an isosceles triangle, let it be an equilateral triangle, let these a, b, c be equal, or let it be a scalene triangle. Whatever it is, you can use this Heron's formula, which is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now where s is the semi-perimeter. Now semi-perimeter means the half of the perimeter. Half perimeter. So the A plus B plus C is the perimeter. Now half of it would be divided by 2. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now after finding the S value with the A value, B value, C value, which would be given in the question generally, we can just equate it with this and minus the first side, minus second side, minus the third side, and multiply all those together, and the under root of that thing would give you the area of that particular triangle. So now let's go into finding the area of equilateral and isosceles triangle with simpler formulas. So for equilateral triangle, so now we are going to discuss about equilateral triangle. So just take the same example, a triangle, but for an equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Let's say A. Now we need to find its area. So using the same Heron's formula, now here S, what is S? S is going to be the semi-perimeter, which is A plus A plus A, which is 3A divided by 2, semi-perimeter. Okay, semi-perimeter. Now area with Heron's formula is going to be root under S into S minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A, because it's an equilateral triangle, S minus B, even B also is A, into S minus C, even C also is A, so let's write it whole cube. Now after simplifying this formula, we get 3 by 4 pause. So the area after simplifying this would give you root 3 by 4 into a square. Now A will be the side of an equilateral triangle, right? It's gonna be the common side. So root 3 by 4 times the common side square will give you the area. So this is gonna be a simplified formula instead of using the Heron's formula even for an equilateral triangle. Now let's look into an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Let's say the equal sides are A and the unequal side is B. In this case, S is gonna be A plus A, so 2A plus B, the perimeter divided by 2. Okay, yeah, and the area is gonna be under root of, with using the Heron's formula, S into 2A plus B by 2 into 2A plus B by 2 minus 2A plus B by 2 minus B, which is one side, into 2A plus B by 2 minus A. Now you are going to repeat this minus A 2 times because the two sides are equal. So let's just square this instead of writing it again. So you can take 2A plus B minus A common because it's squared under root. So you can bring this outside. So after simplifying even this formula as we did for the equilateral triangle, after simplification we get a simple formula, B by 4 into root of 4A square minus B square. 4A square minus B square. So this is going to be the formula. Right, formula. Now here we need to remember that B is the unequal side. B is the unequal side. Unequal side. And A is going to be the equal side. So it means that there are two same sides which are equal. Let's say this is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Now we are 6 centimeter. There are two sides of 6 centimeters, so those are known as equal sides, and those are going to be A. The remaining side, which has only one, like only 8 centimeters, there's only one side in a triangle of ABC, then that side would be known as B. So you need to use the formula. After simplifying, we get the formula, B by 4 times root 4A square minus B square. So this is going to be the formula for isosceles triangle. So the theories are done for this chapter. So now we are gonna just solve one easy problem. So question. Now if the perimeter, I'll just mention it as P. Perimeter is given as 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. We need to find the area of a triangle. So and one more thing, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Okay. So how do we solve this problem? So in an equilateral triangle, the perimeter is gonna be 3A, and the perimeter, and let A be the side of this triangle. 3A is gonna be 60 centimeters. Now here A is gonna be 20 centimeter. A is gonna be 20 centimeter. Now the perimeter area, they're asking the find area. So we need to find the area. So how do we find area? As said, let's take A as the side. A as the side, the common side, because it's an equilateral triangle. So the perimeter 3A equal to 60. A we get it as 20 centimeter. So the area formula for an equilateral triangle, even you can use the big formula which is Heron's formula, or there is a simplified formula for equilateral triangle which is root 3 by 4 into A square. Root 3 by 4 into A square. Now what is root 3? Root 3 by 4 into A. What is A? It is 20 centimeters. So 20 square. 20 into 20. 4 5s are 20. So answer is 100 root 3 centimeter square. If this is centimeter, right? So the area is gonna be 100 by 100 times root 3 centimeter square. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you really like it. And if you subscribe and share our videos, it would really benefit us. and it would encourage us to make more good videos for you. And soon you will be getting the derivation of these Heron's formula. Thank you.